Obviously, personalization is key to standing out today, but a study from Gartner reported on the percentage of people that expect companies to be well informed about their personal information during an interaction. That percentage was 86% for B2B businesses and 71% for B2C. So it just goes to show that customers and prospects don't just want personalization anymore. They're demanding it. So, for any sales leaders watching this, if you are, limiting to a few select direct gifts, some e-gifts, whatever, it might be time to consider giving access to Amazon. And you can limit the amount, right, to $50 below, $25 below, whatever you want. But that's going to really help your team go and find these hyper personalized gifts. Maybe it's a book by someone that they're following on LinkedIn. Maybe it is a cat bed for a cat that, your AE saw during a demo. But these hyper personalized gifts is what's really going to drive the most impact in today's environment. Another stat. I'm a stat nerd, y'all. But a study by McKinsey found that companies that excel at personalization generate 40% more revenue from those activities than average players.